ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Ka Madan GN Complex Polo, manta ka janmiet kalalu hipum. Da ka jingsat kemen kipat ba nongkershan jong ka Shillong Lajong Football Club. Hadien bakalala ban peliem no ya ka kenhun ka baklan na ka jela Kolkata ka East Bengal Football Club ban yorung sya ka semifinal. Kipat ba nongkershan kiba it football manta kasi ka arpui terik unailar ajab sao kilawan ban a jingkershan ya ka Shillong Football Club kilong hadu khatsau ja khandai spa ngutam. Haba phai sya ka jele kai ka Shillong Lajong tang khandiat por hadin balasang ka jele kai urang yele ka Shakhman jong ka Lajong u Marcos E Silva ha ka minute bapra ulayo ban penki ya ka jar bantan ya East Bengal da shigo lanot tat hadu bandakut ka kelas step habas dang ka kalamit baro arken hon kilai tristom banyo penki jar Henry Kimla Satya bad day tat ha ka minute banyo pupra u Nandha Kumar Sekhar ulayo ban penyakhat bat san minute chua ban kot kapor ka Shillong Lajong Football Club lingba u Figo Sendai ulayo ban penki jar bat job sendon da arlakwe ya ka East Bengal Football Club.
There's a kick-off. The Reds attacking from the left to the right of the screen. And the travelling side with the white crowd supporting, chanting. There's a good area. And exactly what is supposed to happen, if that has happened, then this man has done what he does well and best. Rung. And within the first 8 minutes, Imami East Bengal are down by a goal. Such a lovely conversion. Again, bit of a man watching in the Imami East Bengal 6-yard area. And crowd is ecstatic. Stopping the ball. Good physicality. Sana in support. He's asking questions. Pushing and shoving. Hade. Rapsukan. Not the best of touches. And didn't come back. Stuck across space. The East Bengal defense looking brittle. And it has to consolidate. It is absolutely poor defending. Again. Could be a chance. Quick turn. And Nanda Kumar just couldn't pierce Manish Dubey. This ball. Oh, brilliant. Should be finished, but it's a goal! But he's offside. The flag is up. The build-up was brilliant, incredible, super. That was going anywhere and was almost into the own net. Under a lot of pressure there. Imami East Bengal, they're up the ante. Imami East Bengal FC players. They know it. The old experienced players on the pitch. Great for him. Nanda straight onto Manas. Hits his chest. Comes back to play. Buddy. Vishnu. Still Vishnu. Nanda Kumar Shaker. And that is the equalizing goal. That is a moment of magic for Imami East Bengal.
Yeah, we mentioned that high-risk tactical switch they made to go to the wing-backs, and it's a substitute that came on. Vishnu on the opposite side, being able to try and get high and deliver the ball, and we said the opposite wing-back. Nandi Kumar arrived in the box. He'd already had a sighter earlier, only 5 minutes ago.
Goes more wide, puts it back from byline. And that is an important moment. That is a super sub I was mentioning. Figo Sendai. Has he put the game to the bed? What a defensive collapse there from Imami East Bengal.
on Figo by name, Figo by nature, popped in the box. You can see as soon as he pulls it back out, just drifts off the wide position, waits for people to fall asleep, get it right on the edge of that 6-yard box, and stroke the ball home. Again, you have to question Army's play ball just in terms of they've got the bodies in there, they've got advantage, they've got numerical numbers there, but nobody able to get to the ball first. What an impact Figo's had off that right-hand side into the box. 2-1.
Winning that position, they're winning the second ball, the third ball. They're trying to keep possession. Figo sets it up. Once again, it was going in. Santi could have been a super sub again. Great save from Tafsukan Singhal. Number. All the players and the supporters would attain a height which could very well cross the Shillong pick. But again, that is going in. But Manas makes wonderful goal line save.
That is an incredible save, and he's obviously taken a bit of damage for his troubles. Again, the ball's deep inside their own box, and the ball's redirected, and it looks like it's going to nestle in the bottom corner to take it to 2-2.
Again, leaving on borrowed time, but Madan doesn't allow any more seconds. And today it's celebration time for the Shillong Lajong. The Reds, they've conquered the Giants of Kolkata. And look at that, as I mentioned before, they played to the deity Lady Shillong, who's the deity of the Shillong team, who protects the Khasi land and the people from disaster. But today, it was a great performance here. And what a great finish they had. They were leading. East Bengal equalized, but finally, Figo. That brilliant goal in the 84th minute. The final scoreline, Imami East Bengal FC 1, Shillong Lajong FC 2.